Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to put a video in slow motion on iPhone. First of all, open your app library and open iMovie. Tap on Movie and select the video which you want to make slow-mo. Tap on Create Movie. Tap on this timeline. Tap on Speed and decrease the level to make the video slow-mo. And you can play the video to see the result. Tap on Done. Tap on Share. Tap on Save Video. And the video will be exported to your library. So I'm going to opening my photos. And as you can see, I've successfully put this video in slow motion. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.